Hello? Ten's Mechanic. This is Georgette. Hello?
Hello. Hi, this is Pam Yoder. May I speak with Mr. George Thompson, please?
Ma'am, I've just got to warn you. We've been having a lot of trouble with static on our phones, so if I lose you, just give me a call back, okay?
Okay.
So, who were you looking for again?
George Thompson?
George?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. George! Hey, George! You got a line? Call on line 1.
Huh?
Line 1.
What?
You have a call on line 1. George.
George is in the back.
Huh?
George is not up here. He's in the back in the can.
Is he still having trouble with that? I told him to see a doctor.
Yeah, he sure has been back there a while.
Yeah. Hello? You still there?
Yes.
He's not here. We think he's back in the bathroom, but I'm not sure. Can you call back later?
Are you kidding me? Can I leave a message?
Well, you can, but George usually loses the messages I give him. Can you just call back?
You know what? Never mind.
You know, it may be time to invest in a new phone system. Even if you only have 2 phone lines, your workflow can be dramatically increased with the latest technology.
Let's face it, customer satisfaction and business reputation and image are at the forefront of good business practices today. As you saw earlier, because of limitations and problems with the current phone system, the office assistant was unable to use modern system amenities such as intercom and voicemail to smoothly assist the customer. This led to a poor first impression of the business. And as you know, you only get one chance to make a good first impression. If you invest even a little in your customers and their satisfaction with your business or office, you produce a great working relationship with your customers. Let's look at the primary benefits of a modern-day phone system. Caller ID. See who is calling if they are in your current area code and be able to save their number for easy redial. Distributed voicemail boxes. Send a client directly to their target's voicemail in the event that the person is out of the office or busy. Advanced auto attendant. Have the phone system answer for you and assist in forwarding calls. Remote access. Not only can users access their voicemail and features by dialing in, phone technicians can also use remote access to fix or update your system to quickly address your business needs. Today's phone systems can also span multiple business locations. Additional features. Today's phone systems can intercom to shop areas, open magnetically sealed doors, and have customized music messages on hold. And these are only a few of the flexible features available. Some businesses have phone systems in use for 10 to 20 years, so the investment over time is minimal. You've worked hard to build a great reputation for your business. Keep your customers happy and let a new phone system work harder for your company's workflow so your employees can work smarter.
Now, if you're looking for a quality company to address your phone, computer, IT, and multimedia needs, contact my friends at Technology Contracting, a company with the knowledge and experience that always puts customer service first. Now, let's look at that opening scene with an office with a modern-day phone system.
Hello? Ten's Mechanic. This is Georgette. May I help you?
Hi, this is Pam Yoder. May I speak with George Thompson, please?
George? Okay, let me see if he's available. May I place you on a brief hold?
Sure.
I'm sorry, George is not in his office. Could I put you into his voicemail?
Sure, that will be fine.
Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you too.
Technology Contracting is a full-service commercial office, phone system, computer, datacom, and network installer and integrator. We have implemented state-of-the-art phone systems at medical offices, churches, government-funded agencies, and many more small to large business offices. Call us today, and remember, our initial consultation is free.